How to fix issue with Facebook on your Shopify store. So first of all, what you'll have to go do is simply go to your search bar and then search for Facebook. So the tip I would like to give you is re-authenticating your Facebook link account, your business account. Make sure you use a business account for Shopify. From here, what you'll have to do is simply go ahead and connect your account. So once you re-authenticate and connect your account, this might easily fix your issue. Simply press on this connect account and then you might get started, and your Facebook issue might get fixed by re-authenticating or reconnecting to your Facebook and relinking to your Shopify. On the option, what you can do is simply go to your three bar and then from there go to your settings section. Here search for browsing history, and then simply go ahead and delete all your browsing history, and that might fix you because your cache might be creating a problem to your Shopify store. So simply remove or clear your cache, and that might fix your issue. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.